everybody, I hope that you are doing well today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rosie and I like to make YouTube videos, mostly about makeup and skincare, but some other stuff in the mix too. And today I'm going to be doing another makeup look. I have something in mind, but every time I have something in mind, it rarely translates to what I want it to on my actual face. So I'm gonna attempt to make that happen for you guys today, and we'll just see how it goes. I'm gonna have some more skincare content coming out soon. I've been working on it, so stay tuned for that, and let's get started. My hair is not cooperating at all today, so it's just gonna be in this crazy bun. And see my Golden Girls shirt? I got this for Christmas. I love the Golden Girls. Sophia was my favorite. She was I love these headphones. They recently broke, so I taped up and janky in here. Alright, so I'm gonna do the eyes first today and go in with the e.l.f. Camo concealer from my eye base. Bun is getting more insane by the minute. Hate it. And to do the other side. Alrighty, so the eye look is done. Now that they're both done, I do kind of like it. Pretty cool. Came out, you know, kind of like I wanted it to in my head. But practice makes perfect, so I'll probably try to recreate this look again. But I just love this gold shade Soaking Sun from the mini Orgy Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette. It's like such a bright, true gold shade that just is blinding. I did use a little bit of setting spray with it, which I use with any metallic shade, doesn't matter the brand, just to give it that extra pop. I like it. Tell me what you think down below. I'd love to hear your opinions. Alright guys, so 1 hour and 21 minutes in, I am done. I don't know how I feel. Bun is crazy. Didn't get any makeup on my new shirt. I'll give this look like a 5 on the 10 scale. I don't know. What would you give it? So don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you think. Hit the like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new and you want to be notified of my content in the future. I'd love for you to join our little YouTube family here. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.